Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this thoroughly to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular in working more hard for you. So friends, today I am going to analyze the movements of gold futures in different time frames. So here you can see a weekly chart of gold futures where I find that the gold futures have formed an exhaustive candle in a weekly time frame after testing the levels of $1613 during the last week when the gold was attracted towards the growing Middle East tension after a US attack on Iraq when the Irani general Mr. Qasim was killed during that attack. Since then, I find that the gold futures have come above the levels of $1563, where I find that this is a critical zone where I would like to see that if the geopolitical moves cools down a little bit, we will see the gold futures to move a little downward, but their position of the levels of $1542 will keep this uptrend in gold futures during the upcoming weeks. So friends, I find that any downward move in gold futures above the levels of $1515 will provide a good opportunity to go long for an immediate target at the levels of $1589, where I find that the gold will try to maintain this uptrend what it has achieved during the last week. So I find that any downward move below this level, below the levels of $1560 will define a decisive move, because formation of this exhaustive candle in a weekly time frame confirms that the uptrend in gold futures may see a downward move during the upcoming week, but still there is an upside up to the levels of $1580 in gold futures, but the downside is very deep in gold futures, where I find that the gold futures may test the levels of $1515 in a downward trend, where I would like to go long in gold futures. So let us see that how the gold futures will maintain this uptrend in a weekly time frame. Therefore, I find that the gold futures may continue this uptrend during the upcoming weeks, where a sustainable move above the levels of $1597 may attract more bulls to go long from these levels, and I find that in an uptrend the gold futures look ready to test the levels of $1645 during the month of February. Here I find that a sustainable move above the levels of $1602 during the upcoming week will encourage the gold bulls to test the levels of $1648, where the gold futures may find stiff resistance in a weekly time frame. Here I would like to show you that why I find that this uptrend may continue. So we will have to see the movement of gold futures in a daily time frame. So friends, here you can see the movement of gold futures in a daily time frame. Here I find that the gold futures have closed this Friday at the levels of $1563, which provides a good opportunity to gold bucks to once again move upward up to the levels of $1616 during the upcoming week, where I find that the gold bulls will try to test the levels of $1616 during the upcoming week, because here you can see that after finding a good support here in the daily chart, gold futures have started to take a steep upward move up to the levels of $1555 before moving more upward. Therefore, I find that the levels of $1555 will provide a strong support to gold futures before the gold futures take one more upward move during the upcoming week. So friends, here I find that any downward move in gold futures up to the levels of $1542 will provide a good opportunity to go long for the targets of $1602. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures during the upcoming week. Thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.